Doctors discover new drug that outperforms aspirin in preventing heart attacks. Medical researchers have announced a groundbreaking development in cardiovascular health after discovering a new drug that appears to be more effective than aspirin at preventing heart attacks, a finding that could transform treatment for millions of patients worldwide. For decades, aspirin has been the cornerstone of preventive therapy for individuals at risk of cardiovascular events, including heart attacks and strokes, thanks to its ability to reduce blood clot formation. However, while aspirin has saved countless lives, it is not without its limitations, including potential side effects such as gastrointestinal bleeding and variable effectiveness among different patient populations. The newly developed medication, currently undergoing extensive clinical trials, has demonstrated in early studies a remarkable ability to reduce the risk of major cardiac events compared to standard aspirin therapy. Researchers report that patients taking the drug experienced significantly fewer heart attacks, with some trials indicating a reduction in risk by as much as 25 to 30% compared to those on aspirin alone. The drug works through a novel mechanism that targets platelet aggregation more precisely than aspirin, reducing the likelihood of blood clots while minimizing adverse effects commonly associated with long-term aspirin use. Cardiologists are cautiously optimistic, highlighting that if these results are confirmed in larger studies, this medication could redefine the standard of care for patients with coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, or a history of heart attacks. Beyond its effectiveness, the drug may offer advantages for patients who are unable to tolerate aspirin due to allergies, gastrointestinal issues, or other contraindications, expanding preventive options for a population that previously had limited alternatives. Experts also emphasize that the drug's introduction could have significant implications for global healthcare systems, potentially reducing hospitalizations, lowering long-term treatment costs, and saving lives on a scale previously achieved only by major public health interventions. While the initial results are promising, researchers caution that further trials are necessary to fully understand the long-term safety, optimal dosing, and potential interactions with other medications, particularly in elderly patients or those with multiple health conditions. Additionally, healthcare providers stress that no single medication can replace the importance of a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and the management of risk factors such as high cholesterol, diabetes, and smoking. The discovery has sparked interest and excitement in the medical community, with conferences and publications already highlighting the potential of this drug to change the landscape of cardiovascular prevention. Pharmaceutical companies are reportedly preparing for large-scale production and regulatory submissions, aiming to make the drug widely available once trials confirm its safety and efficacy. For patients and families affected by heart disease, this breakthrough represents hope for more effective protection against one of the leading causes of death worldwide. As studies continue and more data becomes available, the world will be watching closely to see if this new drug can truly surpass aspirin and usher in a new era in heart attack prevention. Thank you.